Today we're showing you a 2019 John Deere 5100E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. The tractor has very low hours, has just under 200 hours, so very low hour tractor. Obviously is in excellent condition. The tractor looks practically new. It does come with the balance of the factory warranty. You can check the listing for the exact dates there. Also has the front weights here that go right with the tractor. And again, as you can see, the paint is in excellent condition. Has the corner post exhaust. Tires are good. Does have the mid valve. If you want to add a loader, you certainly can do so. Front and rear work lights on the cab. Dual remotes back here. Drawbar and top link are both on the tractor. Has a 540 and the 1000 PTO. I'm sorry, 540 and the 540E PTO. It does not have the 1000 PTO. Super nice tractor. Inside the cab, no surprises, looks just like the exterior. Has the air ride seat for the operator. Power reversal transmission allows you to change direction without clutching. Has the 24-speed transmission. 3 ranges in the short lever back here. 4 gears on this lever gives you a total of 12 speeds. And then it has the power high-low that has a you can shift without clutching, so that splits every gear on the high side, low side. And again, you can shift that button without clutching, so that gives you a total of 24 speeds. Again, the 3 ranges, 4 gears, and then a splitter in every gear gives you that 24 speeds. All your hydraulic 3-point controls all located to the right there. Up top you have radio, climate controls, rearview mirror, sun visor. Looks like that warranty runs into October of 2025. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the US. If you have questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.